guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. If not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be reviewing another Amazon wig. I hope you guys have been enjoying my wig install videos because I have been enjoying making them. If you have, please comment down below and let your girl know. I hope y'all have been checking out my blonde wig series as well. If you haven't, go ahead and check that out. I will have the playlist for it listed down in the description box. You check it out after you have watched this one. Make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. I post videos every Thursday and Sunday and you don't want to miss them. I post makeup videos, I post hair reviews, wig installs, hauls, vlogs. I post a little bit of it all and you don't want to miss anything. Now let's get into this video. Okay y'all, so I am back with another wig. Today this wig was sent for me. Lord, I cannot talk. Today this wig was sent to me from an Amazon company. I cannot pronounce the name of it. I believe it's Quanlini, but I am not sure. It came in this pretty little box here. This was already kind of damaged in the process of getting it. I don't know what happened, but it came in this pretty little box. And it came with these wig caps, and that's all it came with. But it is their 13 by 4 20-inch deep wave. So I'm excited to try it. This is a human hair drip. I know I've been doing a lot of synthetic wigs lately, and that's because I like synthetic wigs. I like human hair wigs too, but I like synthetic wigs too. I'll be trying to get everybody a little love. But this is what it looks like. Again, it's 20 inches. Didn't have a smell to it. Very, very soft. I've already put foundation on the inside because, as you can tell, I'm going to actually lay her down. So I got my even lace bun spray. Y'all know how I feel about that. And then I got my headband, and I got my water and my mousse to get her right. But this is what she looks like. It did come with lace in the back. I already cut that off. You can keep that part if you're one of those people that like to lay that part down and then, you know, pin your hair up or however. But most of the time I wear my hair down, so I don't really have to do that. So I'm going to get into this wig install and then I will be back with my final thoughts. Okay, so starting off, you want to make sure your forehead is clean right here. So I don't know if you guys can see, but it's not really any foundation right there. The foundation is down here because you want to make sure your forehead is clean so that your adhesive or your product will stay longer. And I'm going to spray 2 to 3 layers of this and let it dry or get a little tacky. And then I'm going to lay the wig down, cut off any excess lace that I feel like I don't need. And then I'm going to throw my band on. And you guys know y'all are just going to watch me do this. So let me be quiet and let's get to it. So this is it for the install. I do like this hair. It's really soft and pretty. I hadn't got much shedding. I was trying to keep up with my little hairball that, you know, so it's about that much, not too much, which is expected from a human hair wig. But a curly wig, they tend to shed a little bit, just a little bit, you know, when you combing through. But you know, I'm not getting any tangles. Again, this is a deep wave unit, so I like the way it look. I want to try a few hairstyles, you know, just to see what we looking like. So okay, we cute pull back. Let's see. Cute pony. I like it. I like it. What do you guys think? Also, you know, just toss to the side. Let's see here. If we pull a little bit up, throw a little clip on there. Okay, okay, girl. Okay, y'all, so I like this wig. This is a 10 out of 10 recommendation. Go ahead and get her. I will have the details and the link listed down below in the description box, because y'all need to add her to your collection. Like, this is a great human hair wig. She is pretty. I hadn't really got any shedding, like I said. It was easy to install. Of course, y'all see me doing baby hairs. Y'all know that's not my forte. That's not what I really do. Hence why I keep looking down in this mirror, trying to make sure they look all right. But I hope they look all right. Y'all let me know if they don't, or let me know if they do. You know, your girl is still trying to figure out how she feel about baby hairs. But I felt like this unit needed it, since it was 13 by 4. And the parting space, you can part it, you know, any type of way. I probably won't part it. I'll probably, honestly, I just like to throw my curls to the side like this here, and just, you know, go out and wear her like this. This is my type of vibe right here. But yes, I will highly recommend this wig. As you guys saw, I installed her on camera. So what does that mean? I plan on wearing her for a little while. So I'll let you guys know how it does, what the longevity of the hair is. But it's definitely bang for your buck. It's giving the 20-inch that it's supposed to give. Because let me tell you, sometimes these companies will shout you your inches. So y'all got to make sure y'all pay attention to that as well. But this unit is beautiful. I love it. I am going to be posting all type of pictures with this unit. So make sure you are following me on Instagram, so you will see these before they even hit the video. You know, you'll know what install, what wig, what makeup look is coming before it even hit the channel. So make sure you follow me on my socials, okay? I will have them up here as well as in the description box. But yes, I would recommend this wig 10 out of 10. Go ahead and get her, because you need her in your collection. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I will catch you in my next one. Peace.